So today I'm going to be throwing this deck system and this tonneau cover back into my truck. I've already had this out before, so it should go in pretty smooth. So those of you that aren't familiar with the deck system, basically it is just a drawer system so you can organize your tools in the back of your truck. I'll put this fancy gasket on there. When you install this initially, it's a lot more work, but like I said, I've already had this apart. So then it's just a series of got some J hooks in each corner. It'll hold it down. But you can see it just hooks right to your anchor point. I'll just got these fancy covers. Doubles as a cup holder, it looks like. I just slide right in. So we gotta put the wheels back on the bottom here. Figure out what size Allen this is. Let's see if we can put a ratchet on there and make our lives easier. Okay, it doesn't look like they gave us a magnetic bit to put this in a ratchet. So what you can do is use a 1/4 inch. No, you can't do that. Gotta use a 1/4 inch socket. It's gonna be loose, but it'll save you some time there. Actually, I think what I did in the past, I think I drew this under the drawer. Oh, that's why we need magnets. Alright, so we got all the wheels in the drawers. Get them. We'll put a bar right across there. That's where this guy goes. Although we don't need long ones. Oh no, there's a plate that goes on there. Right there. A little bottle opener. I got a mat that goes on top of it. Right there. Oh, it's heavy. There you have it, folks. We got our deck drawer system in, along with our tonneau cover. I gotta get going to work. I'm gonna be late.